While it may sound like an average tool to most of us, a tape measure is one of the essential devices for woodworkers. Yet, locating the best tape measures may be challenging, especially when shopping online. For starters, pick a tape measure that is flexible, accurate, and easy to use. There are many products available to choose from, each with different characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did extensive research, read tons of reviews of customers, and compiled a list of the best tape measure for woodworkers from reputable brands. After much research, I found these products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Comilon SM5425 Speedmark Tape Measure. Comilon has cemented its reputation as the most convenient tape measure for woodworkers. This rubber-coated tape measure features an 8 meters 5 feet steel blade. The 25 mm white blade offers a reliable standout of 9 feet. The tape measure offers a good deal for woodworkers needing an accurate and compact measuring tape. Besides its compact size, it weighs about 1.06 pounds only and features a bell clip. Moreover, you can rely on the acrylic-coated blade to provide accurate measurements. So, this tool will come in handy whether you're on a professional woodworking project or hobby. You'll also appreciate its ergonomic design. The design makes the Comilon Speedmark tape measure easier to handle. Besides being satisfying to work with, this product incorporates a metric system. Moreover, the tool features end hooks that are triple riveted. Number 2. General Tools LTM1 2-in-1 Laser Tape Measure. This tool features a laser pointer and digital display. Besides being versatile, the device features intriguing features that blow your mind. While analog tape measures incorporate a single way of measurement, this digital measuring tape offers 2 ways. This includes a tape and a laser that you can use to measure distances. With a laser, you can measure up to a distance of 50 feet. The tape measures up to 16 feet. With its ease of use, this tape measure is great for operating independently. I use the tape measure for short distances, while the laser suits longer distances better. Another perk of this measuring tool is its advanced precision and excellent accuracy. Moreover, when using laser tape measures, you'll read the accurate measurement on the LCD screen. Also, this is an easy-to-use digital measuring tape. All you've got to do is push the red button, which activates the laser. Don't push the button if you wish to measure manually using digital tape measures. Doing so activates the laser. Number 3. Fastcap PSSR25 Lefty-Righty Tape Measure. If you're looking for a compact and affordable measuring tape for your woodworking needs, the Fastcap tape measure is the way to go. Suited for both right and left-handed people, this durable measuring tape is a must-have tool for any woodworker. Also, to offer reliable accuracy, the device comes with a pencil sharpener and an erasable notepad. This allows you to write down the measurements whenever you measure something. In addition to being perfect for all woodworkers, the notepad eliminates the need to carry an extra notebook, especially when working with heavy equipment. With this tape measure, you can measure a distance of up to 25 feet. Moreover, the device incorporates a standard reverse system, which allows the tape to roll back automatically. Also, it features 1/163rd fractions that are easy to read. With its versatility, this tool allows you to measure different projects. The tape is also highly durable and features a rubber coating. The coating makes it resistant to everyday wear and tear. Number 4. Klein Tools 25-foot Magnetic Double Hook. This fantastic 25-foot tape measure by Klein Tools is purpose-built for woodworking. This is revealed through its unique features and thoughtful design. This is the go-to tool if you want a durable tape measure that rises to the occasion for all woodworking needs. This tool is a top choice with all the bells and whistles you need. You can't miss standout features, including the built-in finger brake and calibrations on both sides. Moreover, this is the best measuring tape for woodworkers who prefer to own only one tape measure. Also, with its protective rubber boot and easy-to-read measurements, this is yet another affordable tool. It offers excellent resistance to wear and tear. Subsequently, it ranks among the most reliable tape measures in our in-house tests. Besides the smooth finger brake, the tool also includes a bell clip that allows you to carry it with you even when your hands are occupied. Number 5. Task Tools TR213 ProTrack. This tool measures 83 by 43 by 1/123 and can read up to a distance of 25 feet. Moreover, it features a left-handed measuring tip that suits left-handed artisans. Besides being flexible and portable, it features a strong blade self-retraction. Also, it has a triple rivet reinforced tip. This allows you to attach the tool to nails, corners, and edges when working. Moreover, it includes a speed lock brake that reduces the risk of injury by lowering the retracting edge. This feature also reduces wear and tear at the tip. Also, it's impact resistant and incorporates a clear nylon coating that makes it rust-proof. That's all from my end. I make helpful video daily, so do subscribe my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information, or if you want to know product price, please do check my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below, so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy every bit of your life with our cool products, as it's going to make your life much easier. Thanks for watching, have a great day.